everyone, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of some truly magical and creative ideas for X-Max bottle decoration. Whether you have empty glass bottles lying around or you love upcycling, this is the perfect way to turn something simple into sparkling festive decor. So grab your bottles, a little creativity, and let's get started. First up, glitter and paint. Take any old glass bottle, clean it thoroughly, and paint it with white, red, or green acrylic paint or glass paint. Once dry, brush on a thin layer of glue and sparkle glitter all over. Gold and silver glitter work beautifully for X-Mix vibes. Add a ribbon at the neck of the bottle and you instantly have a shining centerpiece for your holiday table. Next, let's make glowing bottles with fairy lights. Insert a string of battery operated fairy lights into the bottle. You can leave the bottle plain into decoration the outside with snowflakes, stickers, or frosted spray paint. When you switch on the lights, the bottle glows like a magical lantern, perfect for your cozy evening or as a night light decorating during the festive season. For a rustic farmhouse look, wrap your bottles with burlap jute or twine. Add pine cones, cinnamon sticks, or little artificial berries to the design. These give a warm, earthy, and natural X-Mix feels. They look amazing on materials, on mantles, shelves, or even as tables decoration as a holiday dinner. Santa snowman bottles. Here's a fun project. Turn your bottles into characters. Paint one bottle red, add a black belt with a golden buckle, and you have got Santa Claus. Paint another white, draw a carrot nose and button eyes, and you have a snowman. Add some felt hairs or cotton for the beard, and these bottles become adorable, affordable, eco-friendly X-Mix figures that kids will love helping you make. And it's a beautiful art to make together with your family. Another elegant idea is to use bottle as candle holder. Place a long taper candle in the neck on the bottle. You can decorate the outside with metallic spray paint, wrap it with lace or ribbon, or even cover it in frosted spray for a snowy look. Light the candles during X-Mix Eve dinner and the whole atmosphere feels warm and festive. And there you have it. 5 creative and easy DIY Christmas bottle decoration ideas. From glitter and paint to fairy lights, rustic jutes for fun Santa designs, and elegant candle holders, there's something for every style. The best part is these crafts are budget friendly, eco friendly, and they add a personal touch to your holiday decor. So go ahead and try one or try them all. Don't forget to share your creation with family and friends and spread the holiday cheer. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next craft video. Until then, stay creative, stay festive, and stay creative. So much, many happy festival and happy holiday. May your home filled with beautiful craft, happiness, and beauty. Thank you for watching. Thanks again. If you want to watch more videos like this, so leave your comment in the comment section and we will try to upload the best and beautiful designs, best and amazing ideas for you. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay blessed. Bless you all. We try to bring the best and amazing ideas. We try to bring the best collection for our viewers. Every crafting idea we bring to our viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care. We gives you the best ideas and best vibes for this holiday season. Cozy and amazing. So stay blessed. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice day and beautiful journey.